whose fault is it if you're not a sales champion yet? One of the questions I frequently ask the sales team in the sales training session is, what's holding you back from selling a lot more? The answers usually include things like, we need to reduce our prices, we're not competitive enough. The company needs to spend more on marketing. They give us too much paperwork. We need a bigger range of products. My sales manager doesn't give me enough support. I don't get enough sales training, and on and on and on. Note, it's rarely, if ever, their fault. Here's the solution. I wrote this on a piece of paper and pinned it on the wall in front of my desk over 35 years ago. I've moved office many times since then, and this same piece of paper has moved with me. It's on my wall right now. It's old and faded and just as relevant as the day I wrote it. You may want to post it on your wall too. It's just 10 two-letter words written in capital letters. If it is to be, it is up to me. And your future successes too. So take responsibility for it, starting right now. It's the only certain way to ensure you become a sales champion, get to the top and stay there.